In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can use Remitly mobile app to send money to Gabon. When you sign up with the link in the description, you'll earn $10 and your first transfer will be free. Now once you're in the mobile app, select get started. Now please keep in mind that you can use a website to achieve this as well. Enter the amount of money that you want to send. It shows how much money the recipient will receive and then select continue. Select your delivery speed. You can do express or economy. Select your delivery method. I'm going to go with cash pickup. Select the location where you want the recipient to pick up the money. Provide the recipient first and last name. Then select continue. Enter the recipient's city and department. Then you're going to select continue. If you want the recipient to receive a notification, enter their phone number. This is optional, so you can select skip. Select your payment method and you're ready to send off your money. So review your transaction and then hit send money, and that's literally it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.